So the benefit of our elephant adding those knee bends is really about creating more length to the back of our legs. Because most of the time, if we hang in the elephant for too long, most people are not going to be flexible enough to sustain that stretch in an easy, comfortable way. So the idea of stretching, remember, it is to put people at ease, creating length. So the bending and the stretching is an excellent way to be able to have people last longer in their elephants, being able to work on that length. Now we're going to go into the lunges. So this is not a Pilates exercise. It is an exercise I add a lot because I feel that we don't do enough leg work unless we get to the equipment. And a lot of my clients who come to me do have knee issues. And being Swiss, we have a lot of clients doing skiing in winter. And doing mat work or doing workouts on the floor definitely does not target a lot the strength of your quads and the strength of your knees. So therefore, I'm integrating lunges and exercises for the legs to build those muscles just like we would do on the pieces of equipment. So from your roll down, when you're done with that, if you want to sequence your movements, we will stand in front of our mat. And we're going to do this. There's several ways. You can have your hands on your hips. You can have your hands out to the side picking up your flat, but what I would like for you to do is have your hands behind the back of your head. This is the most challenging one. So remember, arms on your hips, arms out to the side for balance, or hands behind the back of your skull. From there, we're going to bring our knee up and we're going to step back so that your weight is on all toes in the back. Ideally, the front knee is going to stay aligned with your ankle. We're not in front and we're not behind that ankle. We stay very much on the top. Now, I'm on the mat, and as you can see, it's a little bit more wobbly than if I do this on the floor where the surface is even and denser. So if you are struggling with balance, please go on the floor if you're having a mat. Or you can always use a stick and help with a stick. From there, we're going to go down and we're going to come back up. We step and alternate that leg and we're going to come back up. We have our 5 toes in the back and we push off. And again, we have our 5 toes in the back and we push up. We have that turtleneck in the back, that slight yes in the neck. We have the feeling of our foot being every time tracked over that second toe. One more time, lunging down and returning. From that alternating lunge, we have the option also to stay in the back and sustain in that position, strengthening that very knee. From there, we're going to go back. We're going to stay in this position and we're going to go down and up. Make sure you track over that second toe and up. And you keep the length behind that coccyx and up. On the third one, we come back up. We go back again. Pick up the back of your brains. We go down. Track that foot. Repress up. Press into the heel of your front leg. And we come up. Ribs are quiet. We go down. And we come up. And you return. I'm sure you can hear in my breath that these are big muscles that we are using. And now we're starting to use a little bit more muscle in our body, which is starting to also get our cardiovascular rhythm a little more elevated, which is the whole idea of the lunges, is to work the big muscles and to slowly but surely get your cardio a little bit going. From our alternating lunges or from our lunges, we then go into Joe's side lunges, which are inspired by Joe's work and are a little bit tweaked by me so that it is accessible to everybody. Your stance are going to be in a external rotated or outward rotated motion, or à la seconde, we will call it in ballet. And you have your feet slightly in a 45-degree angle out to the side. From there, you're going to have your hands behind your back or on your hips. Or again, you can have it behind your head. Let us just start with here. We're going to look at our knee and track this knee over our second toe. And return. Keep your coccyx long. We're going to bend and lift. We're going to bend and lift. We're going to bend and lift. And we're going to bend and lift. Last one, we're going to bend and lift. From this position, we're going to bend and round our back and lift up. We're going to round and lift up. We're going to round and the belly goes in and up. And we're going to come up and we're going to go round and we're going to come up. The same thing can be done with that version behind, which really inclines you up. And again, we're going down and we're coming up. Ideally, over time, if you have control, you can go a little bit bigger and you will eventually literally come and touch and lift. Woo. And touch and lift. As you can see, this is taking way more balance, way more proprioception inside my body to be able to keep my balance in space. So Joe did it very dynamically, very forcefully, pulling himself to his knee. We want to do it with more controlled, with a little bit less range of motion, but if you're up for it, hey, have fun and get that forehead all the way to your knee and bring yourself back, massaging the back of your sacrum long. One more time, keeping your knee tracked over your second toe and returning up to standing.